Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your CyberGhost VPN subscription. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on the official website cyberghostvpn.com. This is the official website. Once you are on the official website, you need to log in into your account by providing your credentials. And once you log in into your account, you will see this kind of dashboard. On this dashboard you will see all the details regarding your subscription and regarding your plans and all. Okay, so there is a section on the left side, there is a option subscription. You can select this subscription button, and once you select this subscription, it will redirect you on this screen. On this screen you will see your all active subscriptions, and you can cancel, you can manage your subscription, you can pause your subscription very easily by using this on screen instructions. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your CyberGhost subscription. And now if you have any other questions, if you are not able to cancel your subscription, you can also use their chat support team, which is also available on the same screen. And I want to show you something like at the very bottom side there is a option for chat also. Okay, so you can use your chat button, and once you select chat option, then it's easy to chat with their customer support. Okay, and if you have any other questions, please make a comment. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.